Okay, today we're going to learn how to aggregate data in Excel, and we're going to make a graph about it. Don't get scared. Here's your data. Mrs. Kinman is going to hand out your bag of data. Don't eat your data. Got it? Don't eat your data. You may open your data. You may sort your data, and you may count each color, how many you have of each. Like this one has 2 yellow, 4 orange, 2 green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue, and 2 brown. Next, we're going to go hit the Windows key on our keyboard. Select the Excel tile on our screen. If you don't see the Excel tile, simply type the word Excel, E-X-C-E-L, and it should appear for you to select. And then you're going to choose Blank Workbook. Make your Sheet 1 look like mine with the headings as name, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, brown, and total. Put your own first and last name in cell A2 and go down to cell A11 and type the word average. Next, you will enter your own personal data right here. Whatever it was. You're going to type it. Next, I want you to find 8 more people in the room and collect their data as well. Put their names and their data in these areas.